What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm to unbox the ZD Racing's new Desert Buggy. This is called the DBX-10. Now let's unbox it. Well, look at it. The manual, the transmitter, back tires, both tires, the B3 charter, some other tools, and now finally came out is the body. Wow, so beautiful. Aluminum chassis, or aluminum. Look at this piggyback shocks. I don't know if this is just a decoration. Lights, front, rear and front lights, headlights. I think this bumper is a little bit ugly. You can find it when you remove the front bumper. It's just look like the Lotus new 1/10 Lasernut buggy. So I will try to remove it and then it looks more beautiful. Let's look at the ZD Racing's Rocket DBX-10. Now, this big tires, the diameter of this tire is 128 millimeters. It has all metal shocks and a shock tower. This tube is so soft, it looks more scale. And the rear mirror. The suspension is perfect, I think. Now let's look inside. Now this is a 3660 2300 kV motor. And this is a 80 amp brushless ESC. Here is a 3S hard body. Let's look at this. This 3S 3300 milliampere hours hard body batteries, hard keys. So it's perfect for the bash and jump with hard case batteries. Now I will show you the lights of this buggy. Now that's the front lights, the rear lights, and the bumper lights. By the way, the front light is so shiny. Now you can adjust the angle of it. Now, after I mounted the back tail signs, it's all perfect. The suspension is soft. Now, thanks for watching. Please make comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye.